How to add a bank account to Coinbase. Hey guys, and welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how to add a bank account to Coinbase. So let's dive right in. Start by opening the Coinbase app on your phone. At the top left of the screen, you'll see 9 dots. So tap on those dots to open the menu. And from here, tap on your profile picture or username to access profile and settings. In the profile section, find payment methods and tap on it. You'll see an option to add payment method. Select bank account from the list of payment options, which also includes debit cards, PayPal, and even more. You'll be prompted to link your bank account, so Coinbase uses Play for this process. Tap Continue to proceed. You might be asked to enter your phone number, so if you prefer, you can choose to skip this step by tapping Maybe Later. Search for your bank by name, like Wells Fargo, or whichever bank you use. Tap on your bank's name to proceed. You'll be redirected to your bank's website, so enter your online banking username and password as prompted. Follow the on-screen prompts to complete the linking process, and once done, your bank accounts will appear under payment methods in Coinbase. And that's it, you've successfully added your bank account to Coinbase and are now ready to buy crypto. If this video was helpful, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for more content. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.